Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Varma, and in this video we are going to discuss about, is it possible to earn crores in stock market? Yes friends, it's possible to earn crores in stock market, but there are several conditions regarding this process. See friends, day trading or investing is not a strategy to get rich quickly, and it is not so easy as you think. It takes lots of efforts and time to reach it. Some people would think that stock market is a gambling and you people always lose money from stock market. There is no income in stock market. There is no profits. These all are fake. Some people would think like this, but these people are wrong, and it's a false statement regarding this. Friends, you should treat stock market as a serious business, and if you choose its career, and you should choose as a serious career in stock market. And friends, when you are started investing or trading and expecting 100% returns and 200% returns in early stage, like within 2 days 3 days I have to earn more money, these all are not possible in stock market. If you are in that mindset, please avoid stock market friends, otherwise you will be in very risk in your life. Stock market investors or traders needs lots of patience, and single day can't make you rich anymore. Okay friends, now success in day trading. Success in day trading comes from risk management finding. When you take low risk trades with high potential reward, you will be in profits. Like that, if you buy 1000 rupees share, for example, and if your stop loss is 800 and your target must be in 1400, this is a very peaceful risk management, like 1 is to 2 ratio. Your risk should be 1% and your reward should be 2%. Did you get my point, friends? Don't always think about profit side. Sometimes think about loss sides. That means when you invest in stock market, and if this goes wrong way, that means you are going, your stocks are going to be lost, and stocks are falling from your investing price. That means if you are investing 1000 rupees, for example, and it's going down 800, 700, you should know where to exit from this. That means your risk management. Before investing only, you should consider in this, if stock range comes to this place, I will exit from this. That's what I am saying. If it in wrong way also, you have to know where you have to exit from this trade. Okay friends? Friends, your broker will buy and sell stocks for you. But your job is to do risk management. Risk management is the most powerful weapon in the stock market. Finally friends, you should gain more knowledge about stock market before investing or trading. If you are not enough to gain knowledge, you should take your financial advisor support before investing or trading. Okay, stock market investing is powerful. You can gain money. Like that, it's a double-edged knife. You can lose money also from the stock market. There are many members without knowledge, they blown up their capital without knowing risk management. So you should not in that place. Before investing, do some research and invest in very low quantity first few days. After that, increase your quantity. If you want to choose trading as a career, my sincere suggestion is to do paper trading for few months, like 3 months, 6 months. No problem. It will take time, but you can get clear idea about trading. After that, do in equity, like one with one share or two shares. and then you will know some knowledge, then you will gain some knowledge, and you can trade with real money. Okay friends, finally this is the video friends. I hope you have gained some knowledge about stock market, and in our upcoming videos I will explain each and every topic regarding the stock market friends. Stay tuned to our channel. If you like our content, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon friends for notifications. Thank you friends.